Welcome to the Arzopa tutorial. If you directly send the digital photo frame to the recipient's home by express delivery, in this video, I will show you how to configure the gift data using the gift code without having to get the frame in hand. First, open the Arzopa app on your mobile phone. Click Add New Frame to prepare a gift for someone. Here, you can enter the name of the gift recipient, the receiving region, the occasion and time of giving the gift. Add the message you want to say to them and photos to create a greeting card. You can also pre-upload some photos and greeting cards so that they can see them as soon as they turn on the frame. If they don't go online frequently, you can preset the Wi-Fi for them in advance. Thus, frame will automatically connect to the Wi-Fi after it is powered on. Finally, click Use Gift Code and you will get a code. Send this code to the gift recipient. After they receive the gift, all they need to do is turn on the frame to see the wonderful surprise you've carefully prepared for them.